High in the mountains, nestled among peaks, was a village called Avani. The people were kind and hardworking. They lived simple lives. In this village lived a young man named Ali. He was known for his kind heart and bright smile. But Ali had a secret. He could fly. Ali discovered his gift when he was young. He would leap and soar through the air. At first it was a game. Then it became his passion. Ali loved the feeling of the wind beneath his wings. He loved the freedom of flight. Most of all, he loved using his gift to help others. Ali would fly to neighboring villages to deliver messages. He would rescue lost travelers in the mountains. He would bring back rare herbs for the village healers. The villagers saw Ali's flights but never truly understood. They believed he was blessed with speed and agility. Little did they know, Ali was a true marvel, soaring through the sky. One peaceful afternoon, a shadow fell over Avani. A terrifying roar echoed through the valley. The villagers looked up in fear. A monstrous dragon circled overhead. Its scales were the color of emeralds. Its eyes burned like fiery coals. Panic gripped the village. People ran for cover. Children cried in fear. The dragon swooped low, its fiery breath scorching the earth. Huts caught fire. The villagers were trapped. Ali watched from the top of a tall peak, his heart pounding. He knew he had to act fast. This was his village, his home, and they needed him. Ali took a deep breath and launched himself into the air. He flew towards the monstrous dragon, his heart pounding with determination. He was their only hope. The dragon saw Ali approaching. It roared, a sound that shook the very mountains. Flames erupted from its nostrils. Ali dodged the flames with a swift maneuver. He knew he couldn't overpower the dragon. He had to outsmart it. Ali lured the dragon higher and higher into the sky. The air grew thin and cold. The dragon's movement slowed. Ali was tiring, but he pressed on. He had to lead the dragon far away from Avani. Finally, far above the clouds, the dragon grew weak. It could no longer maintain its altitude. With a final roar of frustration, it plummeted towards the ground, landing with a crash in a distant, deserted valley.